Hey subscribers, welcome back to JuMade channel. Now, imagine a bustling lab filled with the low hum of and the soft clink of glassware. In the midst of it all, a woman, Jummy, is peering into a microscope, her brow furrowed in concentration. She's a medical lab scientist and she's on the brink of a discovery. Jummy's journey to this moment wasn't easy. It was filled with long nights of study, grueling exams, and countless hours in the lab. Yet here she is, making a difference in our world. Becoming a medical lab scientist is no small feat. Here are the general steps to becoming a medical laboratory scientist. Education. Obtain a bachelor's degree in medical laboratory science, clinical laboratory science, or a related field. Some programs may also accept degrees in biology, chemistry, or another life science, as long as they include coursework in areas such as microbiology, biochemistry, blood banking, and hematology. It's important to ensure that the program you choose is accredited by an organization such as the National Accrediting Agency for Clinical Laboratory Sciences, NDLACS. Clinical training. After completing your bachelor's degree, you'll need to complete a clinical training program, often referred to as a clinical internship or practicum. This hands-on training typically takes place in a hospital or clinical laboratory setting and provides practical experience in performing laboratory tests and procedures under the supervision of experienced professionals. Certification. Many employers require medical laboratory scientists to be certified. The most common certification for medical laboratory scientists in the United States is the Medical Laboratory Scientist (MLS) certification offered by the American Society for Clinical Pathology (ASCP) or American Medical Technologist (AMT). To be eligible for certification, you'll need to meet specific education and experience requirements and pass a certification exam. Licensure. Depending on the state in which you plan to work, you may also need to obtain a state license to practice as a medical laboratory scientist. Licensure requirements vary by state but often include passing a state-approved exam and meeting education and experience requirements. Continuing education. Once you've become certified and licensed, if required, it's important to stay current with developments in the field by participating in continuing education activities. This may include attending conferences, workshops, or seminars, as well as keeping up to date with relevant research and literature. Job search. Finally, you can begin your job search for positions as a medical laboratory scientist. Opportunities may be available in hospitals, clinics, research laboratories, public health laboratories, and other healthcare settings. This is the first challenge many aspiring scientists face. The complexity of these subjects can be daunting, but with consistent study habits and a genuine curiosity for the world around us, it becomes manageable. Remember, it's not about memorizing facts but understanding concepts and how they connect to each other. Next comes the challenge of laboratory skills. Accurate and precise measurements, the ability to handle sensitive equipment, and a keen eye for detail are all essential in this field. These skills aren't developed overnight. They require practice, a lot of practice. Joining a lab as an intern is invaluable. It provides real-world experience and a chance to learn from seasoned professionals. Then, there's the challenge of staying up to date with the latest advancements in medical science. The field is constantly evolving, with new discoveries and technologies emerging every day. This requires a commitment to continuous learning. Reading scientific journals, attending conferences, and participating in workshops are all part of a medical lab scientist's journey to stay on the cutting edge of their field. So, what's on the horizon for medical lab science? The future is bright. With the advent of personalized medicine, the role of the medical lab scientist is becoming more crucial than ever. They are the ones who will analyze genetic information to tailor treatments to individual patients. There's also the burgeoning field of biotechnology. Medical lab scientists are at the forefront of developing new drugs and therapies that can revolutionize healthcare. They're also instrumental in public health, tracking disease outbreaks, and studying how they spread. In the world of forensics, medical lab scientists play a pivotal role. Their skills are essential in solving crimes and bringing justice. Their expertise in analyzing DNA, blood, and other biological evidence can make or break a case. In conclusion, the path to becoming a medical lab scientist is challenging but rewarding. It requires dedication, precision, and a perpetual thirst for knowledge. But for those who take up the mantle, they become part of a field that is integral to advancing our understanding of the world and improving the health of humanity. As with Dr. Emily, the journey may be tough, but the impact they can make is profound. So, for those considering this career, know that every challenge is an opportunity to grow, and every obstacle a stepping stone to making a difference. And with that, we've reached the end of our exploration into the world of medical lab science. We've journeyed through the challenges, the skills required, the constant need for innovation, and the rewarding nature of this profession. We hope this has provided you with an insightful look into this critical field and has inspired you to consider the endless possibilities it offers. Now we turn the microscope back to you. Are you ready to embark on this journey? To undertake the challenges and reap the rewards? To contribute to the health and well-being of humanity? We hope you are, because the world needs more heroes in the lab. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found this video informative and inspiring, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Stay curious, stay informed, and most importantly, stay inspired.